Canned responses. The canned response is a way to paste frequently used text into a ticket. This can help avoid typos and ensure standard information can be given easily. To create a canned response, from the Settings menu, navigate to the Canned Responses section. A new canned response is created by clicking the Add Response button. In the pop-up window, a label titled Ticket Resolved is entered for easy identification. The main body of the response is then filled out with a standard message to inform the user that their issue has been resolved. The new canned response is then saved with the Add Canned Response button. Here's how to apply a canned response. From the main ticket view, choose the ticket you want to add a canned response to. In the ticket comment window, click the icon of speech bubble around a star and choose the canned response to use. Make any desired edits and then send out your response to the user. Here's a quick tip. If you have survey software and want to get feedback from your users, you could put the URL to the survey site in a canned response and then use it when closing each ticket. For more information, go to spiceworks.com/chd.